she managed to watch the show and she phoned us and she said, my husband got arrested yesterday, and when the troops came to my house, they broke the door, they completely destroyed all the house, and she said, you know, all of them had their faces covered, and she said, and the Saudi troops physically and sexually assaulted me. And she said they said like all these dirty words which I don't even want to mention.
بدون ما اطلع بس صوتك ينسمع انك ما ترضى على بناتك ينهانون، ما ترضى على ابناء بنتك يلمسها رجال، هذا شرف، انت ترضى على شرف؟ شرطة بخدمة الشعب، مو شرطة تقتلون الشعب.
والله من جد ما نبغى الليل، ما ننام الليل، اولادنا ما تنام، اطفالنا ما تنام، ليش؟ ليش؟ ليش هالعذاب؟
يقول لي كلمات كلش حقيرة وبذيئة، يعني حتى حركات ما اقدر اقولها شلون يسوي لي هو، يعني نفسه هيك يسوي لي، يجي لي في وجهي يسوي لي، يعني يجيب اعضاء تناسلية في وجهي.
كانوا يسوون حركات الصبيان يقولوا لي كلمات يعني الواحد يستحي يقولها.
It was a lot of slaps on the face, and they beat me with a hose, the big hose on the arms and legs. They kicked me on my back, a lot of beating, mostly slaps on the face, and they covered our eyes, all of us, and they let us to run and hit the wall, and let us do things that not like dance or other things, and they were humiliating us with verbally, with a lot of improper words.